Hi, so I'm just going to run through a few test cases that I created. The first one is for me to input Z5. So we're going to get it started here. We'll do a new board, medium, and then enter, and we'll do Z5. We'll do a 1, and it says invalid input. Please ensure the following. And then the next test case is A11. 11 is out of range. And then let's just do a 1. It says please enter just 2 characters, not 3. Test case 3, we're going to type the word quit. That didn't work because it says it doesn't want 4 characters. Now the next test case is going to be 2B instead of B2. And then we'll do lowercase for this one to show the case sensitivity. And then we'll do the number 1. You'll see it took it 2B. And then the next one is going to be 3C, which should be C3. I should have typed enter. So I'll do 3C again. Should be 3C, or sorry, C3. And then we're going to do a 1. And then it says error. This number is already in the same grid. This number is already in the same row. So if we look back on 3C or C3, you'll see that there's a 3 in there already. So it's stopping it. We'll do E9. And then 0. It says, no, that's out of range. And then we're going to do 11. What coordinate? E9. So we'll do 11. Oops. And then it's saying it's out of range. Please try again. Okay. So the next one is going to be B2. But B2, let's see. It's going to already have that number there. So it's not going to like it. So we'll do 2 this time instead of 1. It says it's already occupied, and then it also gives other errors. The number is already in the same grid, row, and column. So let's see. The coordinates of the position we want to place on is already occupied as well. Yep. Okay, and then a unique column recognizes if the user's number is already present on the selected column. Okay, so plus 7. So we're going to see. I'm going to do F3, where there's a 7 already. It says this number is already in the same column. And then we're going to do 2, where it's already in the same column. Let's find one where it's already in the same column, right there. And row. Okay, we'll do H3, 2. You'll see it says grid, row, and column, so we can go check that. There's a 2 right there in the same row and grid, and there's a 2 here in the same column. Okay. And then our next test case is going to be a 4. We're going to do it here, where it's in the same grid. Okay, we'll do G7, where it's only in the same grid. Oops. This number is already in the same grid. Okay, and then the next one is 6, but we're going to say 6 is in the same grid as well. Okay, so we'll do G7 for 6. Same square. Okay, and it says it's already in the same grid. And then I'm just going to do E8 now, and we're going to place a 2, and it should take that. Just to demonstrate that it'll take some things. There you go. Okay. Unfortunately, I've run up against the clock. I tried to do the show possible moves, and it just tries everything, but unfortunately that also triggers all the errors.